handle with the two O-rings, and once a week you take the O-rings off and make sure that they're not split, because if they're split, the product will leak through the handle.
Yeah.
It will leak through the spout area here. And when you're putting these back on, make sure you put a liberal amount of this lubricant on each O-ring.
Okay.
It's the easiest way to take the bowl off is you push it down, all the way down, and then ease it off the back. To remove the auger, you have a left hand nut that you pull off. Easiest way is to take the forefinger and pull it off. This is one of the most critical parts of the maintenance. This white part is called a rubber bell seal, and you have to replace this every 3 months. Okay. The second critical part of the maintenance is your evaporator seal, which is your beveled edge round seal here on the front. Every 6 months for that. When you're reinstalling the rubber bell seal, you ensure that there's a liberal amount of lubricant on the inside concave portion of this bell seal. And put the bell seal over the shaft. Putting our auger back on. And we have our nut. Once again, it's a reversed nut. I'll just carry on here. As you're tightening this nut on the auger, how tight do you adjust it? You turn it until the auger itself starts to spin, and that is enough tension. The easiest way to put the bowl on over your red seal at the back is using a liberal amount of this lubricant on the inside of the bowl, and that enables for easy assembling onto the back of the red seal.
Cool.
Correct positioning of the bowl, you put your black nuts back on, and the proper positioning is resting the bowl on the actual bolt part, or shaft if you will. You rest the bowl on the shaft, and that keeps the bowl level. You do not lift up and tight. You rest the bowl on the shaft. The critical part of maintenance on this is the white rubber bell seal every 3 months, and the round bevel-edged evaporator seal every 6 months. If you neglect to put the lubricant on the O-rings, what will happen is they will split and cause the product to leak. The clearance is essential so that the system will operate correctly. You want a full 6 inches of space on the left side, a full 6 inches of space on the right side, and the same on the rear of the unit. Control panel area. Each right side, left side controls. Your main on-off is your green button, and this button here on the far left controls your auger. Your far left button on the right side controls the auger. These are always on. This activates the refrigeration system.
Okay.
The middle is your freeze, and if this is going to be used as a slush machine, your freeze button is always on. Your chill button is always off. These two, one only on at a time, do not have both of these on activated at the same time.
Okay.
Very important. And this red light indicates that the system is overheated. If this light comes on, there's a reset button on the very bottom of this machine. However, if that does come on, it means it's overheated, and move it to a better ventilated area.
Okay.